Hey, it's Sammy on October 7th. We took 8 trades today. We had 2 break-even trades, still had 201 points out of this session. We are in our basically second week of government shutdown. The markets aren't moving a lot overnight. There's not a lot of catalyst. So really, I think it's a lot more retail trader behavior, and that's always the trilogy of pain. It's making sure that you have your fundamental and your technical and your confirmation elements tied together so you can take trades that you know why they're happening and where they're happening and when they're happening. So let's take a look and see how this all played out today. So this is pre-market, and we are starting to catch some really strong sentiment here, and our momentum is lining up. So we're going to go ahead and go long. Now we're going to be really cautious, really tight stop loss, because we're pushing a new high of day before the market's even open. Now you can see we're bumping into deviation to high. So we're capturing a lot of the price action for the day. We're going to go ahead and manually close out with 30 points. All right, so we're coming in on a reversal off the high of day. Remember, reversal trades are a higher probability that they're going to fail. So what we're going to do is we're going to manage this really tight, especially because the open is coming. So the open is probably actually going to go the other way. So we're just going to make sure if anything happens here, we're going to take a break even because the open's coming right now. Now you can see all that data flip back into alignment. We're trailing very aggressively. We're going to lock in 40 points on our trailing stop loss as price comes back into it. Now that's often what they call the stop hunt high, or the trap, because everybody got induced to chase all that data up, but now look what happened. It's all flipping over. We're coming back through deviation bands. We're coming back through the New York open price. We're heading down towards the 61.8 and the VWAP line. We're going to trail aggressively and lock in 31 points. Now, we just had a small pause, so we're going to re-enter this trade. Now our data is really flipped over on our short time frames. So here we go. We're going to take the rest of the run down towards yesterday's close and that pivot. All right, so once we break VWAP, we trail our stop down and lock in 30 points. You can see right here, the market has held, it's consolidated. We broke through VWAP. We tested yesterday's close. We tested the 6 p.m. market open, and everything is holding right there, ready to drop through that pivot. Now what we're looking at is a new 4-hour bar, a new 1-hour bar, and we smash through pivot, hit that 50 fibbo. We're going to trail down for 34 points. All right, we are smashing. You can see we're hitting that little green line over there to the left. That's our 1-hour kernel. That's definitely something that is going to cause chop here. So what we're doing is we're up 20 points. We drag that stop loss right down to a break even, and it's going to get popped. We're just building up the data to push through that level. All right, everything is holding to the short side. We're right here ready to pop. So we're in this trade right now. We're going to punch through that 1-hour kernel, and we're aiming for that red line, which is deviation 1. So you can see as all the data starts to really pile in, real time, we hit that take profit at 36 points.